How's it going, guys? So today me and Kyle are having a big ride, 50 to 60 mile ride from mine all the way to Blackpool and back. For mine it's about 25 mile there, 25 mile back, and obviously for Kyle he's got a bit more distance to go to get to his house. But yeah, it'll be a good ride. Are you riding like a clown again?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
I was waiting for you around that corner.
Well, why would you go around the corner? Eh? There's no rush. Going to save as much energy as we can for on the way back.
Right, we're doing battery on the way back.
Must be a slight bit of a hill, this bit.
Feel when it's flat, you can feel even when there's a slight incline.
So I've just looked at how much we've done. Had a quick break, had a drink, and we've done 12 3/4 miles. No, carry on. But we're in Poulton now, so it's pretty much classed as the Fylde in Poulton. So we're in the kind of Blackpool in the Fylde area, but we still have another 11 miles to go till we're at the tower. Now, although we're on e-bikes, we've actually ridden all the way so far without any power. Oh, Subway smells good. Where are they going?
What is it like?
Now go.
Oh.
Then that needs a clean.
What?
No van. No power.
Yeah.
Manpower.
No, you got to so chill.
Well, one man power, one little boy power.
Sure. I'm a man.
I'm a real boy. I might change your voice then.
What?
I might change your voice on you saying I'm a man to either a high-pitched chipmunk voice or a deep man's voice. I'm a man. But the thing is, right, you pay to go to boarding school, but you can get the same qualifications in a school that you don't have to pay.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you're in private school your whole life, and it's 100k per year, let's say, probably not, it probably goes up in the year, that's 1.1 million in education. 1.1 million you could have put away for your kids.
Yeah. Anyway guys, did any of you enjoy last week's video with the Guild Wheel? I couldn't stop laughing most of the way through editing it. It was quite funny day. Let us know down in comment section which your favourite bit were. Stretch your ass? I don't want to know. I've not had my ass stretched. Eh? When you go to school tomorrow, you can tell all your friends that you rode to Blackpool on your bike. I'm back. Oh, have you? What did they say? Lazy?
Yeah. Xbox.
What you're turning into as well now?
No. What? If I was, I would be here. I'd be on the Xbox grinding right now. Yeah, not grinding.
Grinding the Xbox? Do you love it that much?
Sure, you, I've got a profile on Grindr.
I've got what?
You've got a profile on Grindr.
I don't have Grindr.
Well, you do have Grindr.
Is Grindr the gay one?
Yeah. How do you know that?
Well, if you know I've got a profile, that means you must have been on it.
No, I'm gone.
You must have just made it up and put my picture on. Catfishing some other dudes. Eh? Tinder?
Yeah.
You're on Tinder?
No.
I've never actually been on any dating websites.
You got a wife?
Yeah, true, I've been with her since I was 18, so...
Yeah, so yeah.
Turn right at circle. Called Daisy, that one.
Yeah. There was a cow.
Yep.
One go west.
Yeah, it's the bull. The big bull. Normally, on a clearer day, you'll probably be able to see Blackpool Tower from here, I think. But obviously it's all quite an overcast, foggy day today, so you can't actually see it. Which is a bit of a shame, because when you can see it, you know how far you've got left, kind of. You see where the finish line is. I think we are officially in Blackpool now, but obviously we're going to the tower, so that's in like the centre of Blackpool.
Oh my God!
Terrorist!
How is that allowed?
I know. So those that know Blackpool will know whereabouts we are from the windmill. From where you come off the motorway on the M55, turn right and then towards Blackpool. And just up here is Blackpool Zoo, not that far away. Go on. Winter Gardens. Eh? What?
Well, I got fucking suits on everything.
What in Black?
Secret Service? I'm fucking Boris. Boris here. What's happening?
Don't know.
Come on, mate. So you know everything, you. Boris Johnson.
They haven't informed me that anything's going down.
There we are.
No, we're going this way. Straight on. Hey guys, we're at Blackpool now, and there is the tower.
I still can't believe you fucking done it.
I know.
That's mad.
It's not been too bad actually. Are we crossing over? Look both ways for the trams. So there we have it guys. We are in Blackpool. Yeah.
You've got proud of that. Can't do it, slap it up.
No, it's quite. You can on there.
What?
That's well slippy.
Go on, you want to do some skids?
Do donuts on it.
What has to be? Can you do fingers? Oh. What is it?
What? Floor.
Oh, want to go around a beach? I did. Fucking hell.
Are we carrying on? Or are we going up here?
Yeah. Got some Blackpool rock.
Blackpool rock.
Blackpool rock.
You're leaning forward, lean back.
No, I'm doing a video. Like, here we are at Blackpool. This video will be out next week. No, the week after. Nope. Oh,
What?
Come here, you.
Oh, have you got to hold it?
Hold. Look at it.
Right. So we've biked it all the way to Blackpool. Hello, Kyle.
In off mode.
Yes, in off mode as well. I haven't used any power getting
I'm
here.
gonna try and do it back, but I don't think we will.
Yeah, that's all. I think we're going to go get either a KFC or a chippy or something. What do you want, Kyle?
Probably I'm gonna have a Subway.
Subway.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go get something to eat.
But we're gonna go. He's gonna hear that.
Let's see what we can get. You want a gherkin? Gherkin? Get it quick before someone else does. Not like gherkins. You don't like them. Want a bit of yellow pepper? Don't like them either. Well. Bread? Oh, you like bread? Bread, there you go. Get some bread. You don't want it? Why? Get it. Yeah. I'm not giving it you. You can get down and get it before he gets it. Fred's here. Fred will nick it off you.
He's such a fat seagull, isn't he? Maybe he's selling his friends. Say, Brad, here.
You want some, man? Yeah, you'll have it, won't you? No, you'll come down now.
You fat sod.
Ah, he's nicked it. Woo! What about that guy over there? Should we give him some?
So fat in it.
All gone now. All gone.
That's what I said to my dog. Hold on. Hold on.
Did you like that? Yeah? You were good?
Yeah.
Got a cookie now. You're not having any of this though. No way. You've been drinking my drink?
No, that's nice.
Why have you put me next to me? You're not having some more? Oh, you like cookies? So do I. Go on then, I'll give you some. There you go. Oh, you like that? Yum, yum, yum. That nice?
Is that nice? Do they have ears?
I like.
Where are their ears?
On the beaks. Top of the beaks, aren't they? 2 holes at top.
I wonder if they're warm or not.
Ask it.
You warm? No.
Speaks to us, this one.
So fucking cold. Are you alright?
You had a good day?
What's your name?
I don't know.
Why are we talking to a
It's talking to us.
What's today?
I don't know.
He said he's fucking hungry.
Talking again.
He said I'm fucking hungry.
There's some bread still there, gherkin. Beggars can't be choosers.
Oh. I'm gonna put this shit in there.
Yeah. Anyway, Sid, it's been nice speaking to you. What a dog.
Get it!
Nearly pooed on you. I think the others are getting defensive now, trying to target us.
Oh God, I'm so cold. It's shivers now. I need a wait.
Anyway, Sid, it's been nice to meet you. We're going to get going now. You going to say bye? Oh, you nearly fell. Please don't go. We have to. We have to. We have to go. We have to. We have to go. We can't stay. We have to. How many times do I have to tell you? Bye. It's no good saying please don't go. We have to. So we're leaving Blackpool town centre now on our journey back home. Next right.
Right here?
Yeah. White here. Quick. Tell you what, my fingers are code.
What?
My fingers are code. Left.
No.
So we're pretty much going back the way that we came, so instead of boring you with the footage that you've seen coming, I'll just put in bits. If anything funny or out happens, then I'll put that bit in. Or next time you see us is when we're back in Preston. Still in off mode on the way back. Still not put battery on yet, but I'm definitely feeling it now. Definitely feel it in the legs now. Doing like 30 odd miles on a bike that weighs 25 kilo without any power assist. So guys, I've admitted defeat. My legs are killing. So before they cramped up, I had to put it on eco. I'll turn it off on flats, but on the bit of an incline, yeah, put it back on eco to ease it on my legs a bit. Kyle's alright, he's a young lad. I've got old legs. Eh? Yeah, so we're halfway back now. Oh gosh. 13 miles to go.
Where have you got them?
Turning left here. No. Oh. Now we're almost back into Preston now. It might be classed as Preston this bit. So only, I think, 7 or 8 miles left now to go. We might be doing a bit more as well at the end. Absolutely knackered. Got a dinosaur ass. Megasaur ass. Keep having to stand up.
Look a lot,
Eh?
what is it? Look a lot.
Well, a lesbian dinosaur. Lickalotopus. Definitely going to be my longest ride on Strava. Going to be Kyle's longest ride on Strava as well. What? Green, the water.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Still got my power off.
You what?
Still got my power off.
Good for you.
What?
Good for you.
Right, go on, boost it with me. Go on, boost.
Doesn't need to boost.
Go, go. Stop. Oh, nice.
Go. So we're out of the guild wheel now. The last little section of it. Back on the roads and whatnot, back home now. First bit of proper hill climb today. Getting here was that downhill pretty much, and then from Preston to Blackpool and back here pretty much flat. And now we're back inland. Yeah. Up the hills again. It's all uphill all the way on. So we officially done it. We are officially back home now. But I'm going to do another 3-4 mile down the A6 with Kyle halfway back to his, and then turn around and ride on. So I'm going to crack on and do that, and I will catch you guys when I'm nearly home and doing my outro. So guys, I am nearly back home now. I am absolutely knackered after today. About 6 hours of riding in total. I think, something like that. I'm well chuffed with myself for riding all the way to Blackpool and halfway back without any power assisting. My GoPro battery's just died, so I'm filming this on my phone now for the outro. So I've done, I think, about 52 miles today. Yeah, it's been a good ride. Tiring, but yeah, if you liked it, hit that like button, comment something down below, and if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. I upload every Saturday at 12 PM. So until next time guys, keep pedaling.